All right, Chainlink daily update. We're looking at the weekly to start the video. And if you like the video today, if you like the content, give us a thumbs up, follow us on Twitter, Telegram, and Patreon. All that linked below. So let's get started on the weekly. This is the clear and concise level that we must break with Chainlink on the weekly chart. Not the day-to-day, the weekly. We need to close above this level. What is it? Well, particularly 2483, because it's this run up right here. Now, look at all the interaction with this kind of $24, $25 level. So I would like to see Link close the week above 25, and then we can have a fighter's chance to break out and test our next peaks, which are right up here. See this up here? Right around this $34 level. If we can close a weekly candle above 25, we have a great chance, the odds increase, of us testing up here. So this is what you want to be watching for over the next 5-6 days or so. As though this weekly candle closes, if we close above 25, I think the odds increase of us continuing this uptrend that we've been in for a while. There's a low, there's a higher low, a higher low. Let's go ahead and put in a higher high, please. And to get that higher high on a weekly scale, we need to close above $34, which is this yellow line. There's a peak there, a peak there, and a peak there. That would be the biggest thing to happen to Chainlink since all-time highs. Plain and simple, cut and dry. No argues, no stampsies, no reversies. Okay. Link on this chart, the daily Gaussian channel. We don't normally look at the Gaussian channel on anything but the 5-day because, as you can see, the daily chart has way more fake outs, but it can be useful to know if your coin's getting ready to turn possibly bullish. Okay. And what do we have here? Well, we're in the red, so technically not so bullish, but look at this. We're coming up to the median line here. And I draw your attention to Exhibit A back in July. After we've had our low, we put our low in, then we fought back up, and we fought right to that median line. And then we closed just slightly above it. We went up, and then we came back down and tested as support before continuing, and then we broke out, okay? This is what we want to do again. We need to get above that, which would also coincidentally be around that $25 level. If we can close above the median line, and we do actually close at 25, look at where we would be. Right above the daily Gaussian channel median line. Okay, watch that. All right, what else we got? The Stochastic RSI. So your momentum of your move. So we're going to look at this on the weekly, and then we're going to zoom out to the monthly, and then you can get a clear picture of what's wrong with Chainlink right now and what we need to do. So this level, this yellow level, I would like the momentum to break through this. So anything above 42 on the blue line. The blue is the stochastic. The red is the average of that. That's why it tends to be a little bit smoother, not so jig-jaggedy. So let's get both of these. First of all, the red needs to be in here, and this will likely not update. This won't update until, this weekly candle close. So yeah, we got to wait 5.5 days. But when this updates, I would love for the blue to be up here and the red to be kind of right where, somewhere in this area. You want both of them to be looking like this, and then you can get your bigger, nicer momentum price movements to the upside. Okay, so that's the weekly. That would be big. We haven't had any weekly upside momentum since back in July. Okay, so this is a pretty big thing for Chainlink. Now, what else can we look at? Why has Chainlink been struggling? Plain and simple, we've had zero momentum. What do you mean? Go to the monthly. Look at the momentum. We're at the lowest momentum Chainlink has ever had in its history. This is why it's struggling. It can't go anywhere because it's a rock with no feet. I don't know. It needs a push. Back down the uphill space hill. I don't know. But this is hopefully very bigly. We're bottoming out. So there's a silver lining, what goes down must go up. I think that's how it works. So there's 2023 right here. So you can see maybe towards the summer, we get this moving in a monthly scale back to the upside. And then, the rest will be history. And Chainlink will hopefully make history this year. So here's 1 year from these marks right here in this box. There's 2022. Here's 2023. That's a whole year inside there. So let's get it moving, Chainlink, back to the upside. We need, ideally, ideally we need something just if I could get get the pin. I don't know where the pin is. It's been too long. There we go. All right, so we need the blue to kind of bounce in a big way, kind of like this. And the red to kind of come out and follow suit, right? Just exactly like this would be ideal. Or even sharper, right? You can go up this way, right? That would be super momentum. Maybe we get that. But something like this would be ideal. And going into, summertime, if we can even just have our momentum back up in this area right here, just this would be key. Breaking this level, getting back in this box for link against US dollar on the monthly chart. This is monthly, so it's going to take some time. Okay, this is not going to happen in the next 4 minutes. So calm down. And if you look at this and it's still the same for a while, this will update February 1st. We'll see where we're at. If link is above, $25, $30, something like that, in the next 4 weeks, then yeah, we might get a nice little bounce here. Okay, so look for that. We'll keep you updated on that. Daily updates for Chainlink. All right. Crypto Fear and Greed Index. Sorry. Hesitation. We're in extreme fear. Okay, so we're still down here. No one should be, not financial advice, but you don't sell in extreme fear. Are you nuts? Where do you go outside of extreme fear? You go up. Okay, use your good brain. All right, quote of the day. I look for quotes of the day, and this one just happened to come up, and I couldn't pass it up. So hopefully you get the joke here. So this artist is not this artist is not this artist. I thought it was great. It made me laugh. So there you go. Hopefully it made you laugh without me having to explain it. All right, car of the day, Ferrari 488 race car. Why this car? That car's been there for days. No one said anything. So either nobody watches this far, you don't care, or you just didn't notice. It's a Lego car, actually. I just built that with my son. Let me get it. Lego. Doors open. It's all Legos. Pretty big, as you can see. Oh damn. Yeah, this is what I did over Christmas break with my son. We liked it. We enjoy it. We did a Lamborghini last year. This year, Ferrari. Pretty big. Took some time. Tell you what. All right. That's it. Car of the day, Ferrari of the day, Lego of the day. Almost dropped it. I'll see you on the next one.